What's it about a kiss that makes you feel like this? Makes me an optimist, I guess. I always jump too quick.